Alright, so now I just finished microwaving a Dorito. There's a Dorito scratch. All of it. So let's shut that for about 2 minutes, and let's go turn it on. See what this thing can do. Alright, put it now. On. Yes. Oh my god. It's an angry peanut. Oh crap. Alright, by the way, I'm Jake, your host, and that's a peanut that's on fire. Whew, it smells so much like the 4th of July. It really does. My last episode, I might have said that, but this time it actually does, for real. It does smell like the 4th of July. Okay. That thing's angry. Yes, it is. So, alright, let's just go turn that thing on. Because as we all know, it will flame. Now watch this, the peanut's still going to be on fire. Can you see it? Still on fire? I turned the microwave off. I shut off all the power. And there lies microwave. Yeah. Look at that one completely melted right off. It's bad, it melted off. Oh, it smells like dog crap. Oh, it smells like the 4th of July when it's shut. Oh. Jeez. Ugh. If you want to smell dog crap, don't do this. Because it smells horrible. Alright, let's just let that vent. Let all that air clear. The ventilation is the breeze. The breeze is the ventilation. Safety is key. I'm your host, Jake. And that was on my